Hey guys, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is July 8th, 2020, about 10:40 in the afternoon, 10:40 in the morning, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It is going to be a hot one today. We're down here to check out the Circa. Let's see what's going on. All right, let's go. So right now, I'm at the corner of 1st and Ogden on the east side of the building. East side of the building, and check it out. Looking pretty good. Right now we are on 1st Avenue near the entrance to the Fremont Street Experience, getting a eastern shot of the Circa building. All right, let's go. Okay, so I moved in, noises out here. I moved down 1st Street and see right there, this camera is pretty crappy, but anyway, I'm using my old camera. I moved down 1st Street, and way over there, that's the Fremont Street Experience right there, okay? This area is sealed off now, and I don't think you're allowed to go in this way for the current period to get into the Fremont Street Experience. So let's check out the construction. As you can see, all the scaffolding is still here, and teams are working away. We got one guy painting up there. Okay, let's see. There we go, straight up. Oops. And here's the gate, or one of the gates the team enters in, and a garbage bin. Like I mentioned earlier, this diagonal blue thing up here is actually the elevator, as someone told me earlier in the comments, which goes up to the pool area, the 4th or 5th floor. Okay, great. Great. All right, let's see. Now if we go down, zoomed in, and this corner right here is kind of shiny and somewhat reflective. Looks just a style point, that's all. Looks pretty good. And lest we forget, just across the street from the Circa will be the Garage Mahal with some 900 parking spaces. And connecting the Garage Mahal to the Circa is a lovely bridge. This bridge will be air conditioned, help those fight the heat as they walk to and from the garage to the casino. Nice idea. Even though it's not that far a walk, it's better to have the customers, your clients, and party goers stay nice and cool as they enter and exit the facility. All right, very nice. All right, so moved over to Main Street. We wanted to get a shot of the southern side of the Circa. As you can see, there is the Golden Gate directly in front of the Circa. In case you don't know, the Golden Gate, the Circa, and the D are all owned by Derek Stevens and his brother. Well done to those folks for keeping the good fight going here in downtown Las Vegas. As mentioned earlier, the Circa opens doors on October 28th. The first 5 floors will be there. That's the pool area, the bars, the casino portion, and the restaurants. And so if you're in town and you want to see something brand new, the Circa is the ticket. Perhaps your ticket to paradise. Okay, I think that will just about do it for today. Just a short video. Hopped out down here before I had some other things to do today. And so I wanted to get some of the Circa footage going good. Oh, one more thing as far as the Fremont Street experience. It looks like even in daytime, you must have a backpack, you must have your ID, and you must be wearing a mask. I just saw the sign that says that, which really surprised me. All right, you guys, anyway, so your pal, One Man, One Camera, saying to you, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, stay cool in the heat, keep those masks on, and have a great day.